Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I start this today's ceremony with a quote. Recognition is the greatest motivator. Well said. And here we are all celebrating our first uh, ceremony of Lavender Literary Club. I proudly welcome you all to this ceremony. And let me just brief you about Lavender Literary Club. Lavender Literary Club is an association for students, scholars, academicians, scientists, and writers to discuss human evolution, civilization, language, literature, environment, culture, politics, law, religion, philosophies, social justice, criticism, psychology, and science to create new attitude in the modern social and modern academic discourse. Over the last years, Lavender has grown to include various activities and it continues to evolve along with its new membership. Lavender gives charity to the destitute homes, orphanage, and mentally disabled people through the monetary support of its members. The uniqueness of Lavender is it provides much needed space to discuss, debate, and research and write the issues affecting indigenous people like Dalit, women, and other marginalized sections, including LGBT, that is lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender, because Lavender sees it as a discourse of rights. To say more, Lavender provides an intellectually nourishing and conducive atmosphere to the members and youngsters by giving guidance, training into their creativity, language, research, and entrepreneurship. So I once again welcome you all to this function, to this award ceremony. Well, going beyond the walls of call of duty, doing more than what you expect to do. This is what is excellent all about. It comes from the stringing, maintaining the highest standards, looking after the smallest details, and doing the extra miles. Excellence means doing very much the best in everything, in every possible way. Now, I request our chief guest, Dr. Lyson, a Vergis Principal, Molana College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Malappuram, Kerala, to please speak few words of wisdom. Sir, please. Dr. Lyson.
Good evening to all. Okay, this is a very momentous occasion that the Lavender Club or say award function has been a recognition always. It's very or motivation is very soul of any kind of inspiring activities, any kind of pursuits. So in this regard, Lavender is doing a very great deed. That means it is a motivator and it supports those people, or it touches all levels of academic pursuits, or it gives recognition to all type of academic pursuits, especially so in this regard. I appreciate those award winners, especially their contribution to different academic circles, as well as non-academic like social commitment and another aspect also recognition is given, and awards are given, motivations are given to those areas, and I appreciate those people as well as Lavender Club for organizing such a kind of great academic event to support and encourage these academic as well as non-academic realms of achievements. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And yes, of course, awards, can give you a tremendous amount of encouragement to keep going, you to do better in your life, no matter how young or old you are, irrespective of all these things. Now, I invite Dr. Zamir Gulzar. Dr. Zamir Gulzar is an assistant professor of computer applications in Chennai. Dr. Zamir, are you there? Yes.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay, first of all, I'd like to thank Lavender for giving me an honor, and I would like to congratulate to Lavender for doing wonderful job and giving back to the research community. They are doing wonderful job. It's not an easy job to do a single day conference. They are conducting 5-day workshops are there. And last year also they conducted, I think last but 1 year, they conducted international conference also. So it's a great job. So I appreciate the efforts they are giving. And I hope in future they'll conduct more international national conferences as well as the workshops and FDPs. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Now I invite Dr. Alus Albert, Dean of Students, St. Xavier's College, Tamil Nadu.
Hi, hello everybody. Nice to see an academic circle gathered, and it's a very honor and I feel privileged to be present, part of this academics. Okay, we all speak about excellence, access, equity, and a lot of words are coming in 21st century, and we all here to create that excellence, and the job is well done by Lavender Club, and the organization is really wonderful. I'm part of, and I feel that I'm part of that. It really gives me a growth. Okay, I always grow. Okay, I always learn, and that's a feeling as a professor. I find it. I always learn to be something great, and really appreciate all those persons who give much of effort and to bring to connect the world. Okay, it's not only India but also you hear about people from Singapore, and it was not I was like I am dreaming. Okay, and I always tell my friend to have physical get together. As we have I as an English professor, I always see coffee houses. Okay, remember coffee houses where people just speak. Even in the villages, in the morning they used to have newspapers and then speak, and it becomes volumes of speech. In foreign countries they call it coffee houses, and we have academics and we speak, and that becomes our wisdom. And I got a lot of wisdom from so many of you, and thank you so much. Let the Lavender and the other organizations that are helping out grow more and more, and let that this academic forum be very big and do a great work for the academic and also for the welfare of the students. And thank you so much for inviting me to be part of this, and I wish you all the best for future endeavors. Thank you so much, and thanks to my friends all over the world. Okay, nice to see all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you so much. Well, the reward for work well done is the opportunity to do more. This is what I believe. Moving ahead, I invite Dr. Narasimha Murthy, SP, for his words.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm very proud to be associated with Lavender Club, and as the previous speaker was mentioning, so a beautiful incident of coffee clubs, Lavender Club being situated in the corner of India is doing an excellent service, and I would like to appreciate all their zeal, concerns towards language, literature in particular. And I'm proud to be associated. More than that, I'm happy that I have learned many things because of the contribution that they have asked me to make. And I wish that this service would continue to our academia. And I would like to congratulate all the team and members, and particularly I should convey my regards to Joyson, who introduced me to this club and who has made me a part of every activity that they conduct. And I wish all the members all the best, and happy to be a part, and I shall continue to be a part of this association for a long time. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Yes, I truly agree with you that the president of this Lavender Literary Club, Dr. Frank Joyson Satya, has been doing a really vigorous task, and that's why all of us are here on this platform doing wonders. Now I request anybody who voluntarily, you can, anybody wants to share his or her views, can do that.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, good
evening.
evening.
This is Mrs. Padmavati, ma'am, from Tamil Nadu.
Yes.
Actually, I'm a PhD scholar in English, ma'am. I would like to thank Lavender Club for giving such an opportunity to receive something for what we worked hard. Because if we are doing, though we are doing in a regular college, they never give awards or a special thing for the scholars. So I would like to thank from my side that giving some award for the scholars who are really working hard and doing their research with lots of efforts in their journey. So I would like to thank Lavender Club for recognizing us at this moment, and I'm very proud and happy at this situation that I am a part of it. So thank you a lot, and I would like to be always a member of this club, ma'am. So thank you so much.
Sure, sure. Okay. Okay. Anybody else?
Hello, Dr. Shubhra. I think there is some issue. Can you hear me?
No problem. I think you're using.
Yeah.
Dr. Ghazala has joined us from Srinagar. Dr. Ghazala?
Yeah. Now is it audible, Shubhra?
Yes. Abhimanyu, please go ahead.
Yes, I remember Dr. Ghazala also. She has been very keen on inviting us to Srinagar last time when we spoke on this electronic platform. So it was, first of all the organizers, the president of Lavender Club, and certainly Dr. Rajin is also there. And Shubhra, you have been so laboriously associated with the organization. And I saw your name on the awards list also. So congratulations on that, and certainly you deserve this award. And I must say that you deserve really even if you keep on doing it, one day you may get Padma Shri or a Nobel Prize.
Yeah, this is a stepping stone actually.
Yeah. So regarding this award ceremony, I would like to say that this is really great, as one of the PhD scholars has recently said that those scholars really work very hard. You see, from teaching to helping their their supervisors, and indeed also taking lots of help from them and doing their research, and at this age also taking care of the home, their efforts have never been recognized. It is not until this award ceremony has been started, it had not been done before. So I must say that Lavender Club has been pioneer in recognizing the efforts of many people of different community. I don't mean like community, I mean academic community. You see, from scholars, students, teachers, and professors, and it is great. And I must say that such kind of events should be organized more. And talking about Lavender Club, and which is certainly located at at one corner of India, but it has become the center of the entire globe, because they have organized many international and national FDPs, and I think one is recently ended yesterday. It was with Lavender Club also. So they have been associating all the academicians from across the globe. So congratulations to Lavender Club also, and to Dr. Regin and Shubhra. Congratulations to you once again. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Abhimanyu. Anybody else? Dr. Iram Fatima, are you there?
Yes, hi, good evening.
Good evening. We would love to listen from you too.
Actually, I'm very much amazed. And it is actually, this whole award thing is actually encouraging all of us. And it is filling us with different spirit. Altogether, we are actually getting encouraged, and it is acting as a catalyst in our lives. It is, building motivation in us and so many things. And it is making us strong. And I would really like to thank Lavender Literary Club for organizing such event, and for giving us this opportunity to get award. And thank you, Dr. Shubhra, too, for because you have been like a catalyst in my life.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Now over to you, Ghazala ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Good evening, everybody. I really congratulate whole team of Lavender Literary Club for organizing academic these activities like conferences, workshops, and now it's really a new feather in their cap to actually just have award ceremony for researchers and other organizers. I'm really honored to be part of this Lavender Society as a researcher, I believe. I have presented many papers in their conferences. My knowing of Lavender is that this organization not only takes care of human activities and human things like in literature and art, but nature as a whole. That's my interest in Lavender Club. And I was introduced to this club by Dr. Silves. I'm really thankful to him. And now it's Shubhra. You are being connected to everybody, and you're doing a tremendous job, wonderful job. Keep it up. I'm really, once again, I really congratulate the team for their excellent job. All the best.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Anybody else? So, well,
Hello.
Yes, sir. Please.
Actually, ma'am, all other dignitaries I welcome, and as always, I very happy to know that I am selected for the award. But I think that this is not the award. This is the inspirations to all who want to get creativity in the world. And special thanks to all the participants and all the organizers, particularly president of particular club, and also you are saying, and what is said in the beginning is great, that what is said amazing, and your activity, particularly as a member of the club, or I think that excellent. There is nothing to say about that. And today I know that due to the pandemic situation, out of pandemic situation, you are creating that kind of award list, and you have created some profound selections of the best award. So those selected, I think that it's very grateful to them.
Thank you so much, sir. Anybody else? it is always a special moment to get an award. So I think I should not waste the time, and I will just share my screen and share the awards. Just a minute, please. So this is the final list which is coming up. We had around 90 participants, 90 candidates who had sent their CVs, and after scrutinizing, we are left with 36, and our judge has also joined us, but unfortunately she is not well, so ma'am cannot speak. So I'm just announcing the results in front of you all. This is Dr. R. Seela Bano, Best Translator. Dr. R. Sankar, Best Researcher. Muhammad Akbar, Excellence in Research. Franklin Tambi Jose S., Best Senior Faculty. Urvashi Kumari, Best Researcher Scholar. Bhuvaneshwari Balachatar, Best Researcher. D. Wilson John, Excellence in Research. P. Hema Malini, Distinguished Assistant Professor. Anayat Ullah Khan, Distinguished Assistant Professor. Bimban Modern, Lifetime Faculty Achievement. Ifat Shaheen, Best Researcher Scholar. Mala Basin, Distinguished Associate Professor. Mr. Mohinder Verma, Best Editor. Dr. Samiksha Suri, Excellence in Research. Rubina Yasmin, Distinguished Assistant Professor. Nazima Pathan, Distinguished Lecturer. Padmavati P.A., Best Research Scholar. Dr. Shubhra Jamwal, Distinguished Assistant Professor. Dr. Iram Fatima, Outstanding Faculty Mentor. Kumar Abhimanyu Dev Singh Biloria, Young Writer. Dr. Bhavna Agarwal, Best Researcher Award. Dr. Mir Rifat Nabi, Best Researcher Award. Nadima Priyas, Best Researcher Award. Shahima Yusuf, Best Researcher. Dr. Bhavna Agarwal, Distinguished Associate Professor Award. Dr. Mir Rifat Nabi, Best Soft Skill Trainer. Dr. Wahid Kanwal Balwan, Distinguished Associate Professor. Dr. Ghazala Gayas, Excellence in Research. Dr. S. Vijay Kumar, Distinguished Assistant Professor. Dr. Narsimha Murthy SV, Distinguished Assistant Professor. Dr. Jason Jiris, Distinguished Assistant Professor. Dr. Alus Albert S., Distinguished Assistant Professor. Mr. M. Maharajam, Best Environmentalist. Dr. Zameen Gulzar, Distinguished Assistant Professor. And Mr. R. Prankesh Kumar, Distinguished Assistant Professor. So I congratulate to each one of you. That is a really good moment, a moment of pride. So once again, congratulate you all. And this is what I believe, like it's a kind of a family now, Lavender Literary Club family. And you are also a part of our family now, even though you're not members. Some of you are not members, but still you are a part of a family. Stay blessed, stay happy, and hopefully next year we'll be out of this pandemic situation and we will meet offline for these award ceremonies. That will be more pleasant, interaction than being on the virtual mode. So that's all for this evening. Stay enjoying, and congratulations once again, and see you for the next award or any function ceremony. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.